Now, one thing I'm not crazy about in our society is we have a tendency to just throw things out if they get broken. Now, I got this at the store. It was normally $30, but because it had a broken antenna, I think it was only $10. So I thought, well, I can either live with that, which I have, or try to fix it. So I've always been thinking of what I could put on there. And then it came to me one day. I had a bottle of Kanka that was 7 years old that should have been thrown away, so I threw it away. And I got a new one. But when I threw out the old one, I cut this applicator off. I painted it with nail polish. I'm going to glue it right there. And it'll kind of look not bad. Let me get some glue. And there you go, just like that. Glued that on. Looks good. I think it looks good. I recommend that for glue. I think it's better than super glue. Got it at Walmart. Anyway, back to what I was saying. If you can fix something, why not fix something? You know, you have fun trying to figure it out. Get a story out of it maybe. Somebody look at your Santa Claus TV and say, is that a Kanka applicator on the top? And you'll say, yes. Yes, it is. And they go like, wow, ever neat. Well, maybe not, but alrighty, fix things if you can. Why not?